Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the difference between these two. Forget to do or forget doing. Are they different? Yes, there is a big difference. So let's learn it today. Forget to do. It means you were supposed to do something, but you have failed to do so. Why? Because you just forgot about it. Okay, for example, I forgot to attempt the last question in today's exam. I forgot to attempt the last question in today's exam. I was supposed to do it, but I didn't do it. Hence, I forgot to do it. If the word forgot is followed by infinitive and to, forgot to do something or forget to do something, then that means you were supposed to do something but you didn't do it. Not because you intend to, but because you could not remember. Now let's go to this thing. Forget doing something. Forget doing something means you were supposed to do something and you have done it, but you have no memory of it. For example, if I say, I forgot attempting the last question in today's paper, then that means that I have done it, but I don't remember it. I simply can't recall it, that I have done it or not. So here, when you are using the word forget plus verb plus ing, forget doing something, forget attempting, forget driving, then that means that you have done something but you don't have memory of that particular thing. And here it meant you did not do it. Okay, I hope you have understood the difference between these two. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.